Every year in Ontario, car and motorcycle drivers are injured because of poorly designed roads or roads that have not been properly repaired or maintained. Although most drivers are not aware of the regulations, there are minimum standards for the design and for the maintenance of our roads and highways. Where a municipality or the province does not meet that standard, the failure to do so can create dangerous conditions that can contribute to an accident. Claims against a municipality or the province based on road design or maintenance failures can be complex and demanding. The lawyers at McNally Gervan have experience in investigating and bringing these claims where the facts warrant it. Even if an accident only involved one vehicle, the facts and circumstances of that accident should be reviewed and considered by a lawyer with experience in such claims. If need be, engineering or other experts can then be consulted in order to determine if a claim should be made. Injured accident victims and their families should consult a lawyer as soon as possible following an accident, as claims against municipalities and the province require that prompt notice be provided. If you believe that an accident might have been caused or contributed to by improper road design or maintenance, including poor or missing signs, consult a lawyer at McNally Gervan for a free consultation.